Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming the Google account or app account that holds your notes. This is crucial because Restore pulls from that identity. Next, open the Notes app or the backup app settings and choose Restore or Sync. Start now, don't wait. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and the phone is charging because interruptions can corrupt the process. Once you've tapped Restore, watch for sign-in prompts and permission requests. Grant them so the app can read cloud backups. Now proceed with the actual restore. Choose the backup entry by date or file name so you don't overwrite newer data. Once you confirm, the app will download and merge notes. Allow a few minutes for larger backups and avoid closing the app. During transfer, respond to storage or account permissions immediately, otherwise the restore will pause. If the app offers merge versus replace, pick merge to keep local notes plus restored ones. When progress reaches 100%, verify basic notes appear in the list. Finish by verifying restored content across folders, search results, and recent items so you catch any missing entries. If notes don't appear, force a manual sync or sign out and sign back into the account. This often refreshes metadata. Make sure the app is updated. If problems persist, clear the app cache but not app data, because data removal can worsen the situation. One troubleshooting tip: if restores fail repeatedly, export any remaining local notes, reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.